Hello guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is market day, and as you can tell, it's a soaker.
Yes.
It's a soaker. So
I'm already soaked.
yeah, we're already soaked, we're already dirty. Everything's wet. All the tags are, all the ink on the tags is running, but we are making do. We are going to be out here till 5 o'clock, so it's going to be a long day.
It'll be a happy day.
Yeah. Hopefully the rain will putter out in the
She
afternoon.
said 10:30. I
From
don't
her
believe it.
lips to God's ears.
Yeah.
Hopefully, because woo, everything's fogging up. My glasses are fogging up. I'm pretty
I'm not
sure
that kind of person.
you are fogging up,
Yeah.
but like we are gonna do our best, and hopefully people will come.
Yeah.
And I will actually. I think we're set up enough to where.
We could sell something if we needed to.
Well, yeah, but we can show the show the booth. We're
Yeah.
kind of crammed in here because we had intended to spread out into the road. But that's not going to happen. So I will show you what the booth looks like. All right, here is the booth. We're going to let this thing brave the weather, be out here in the rain. And then this is our 6-foot table with a lot of lifts and levels. We have these two things. These are the well, I take that back. We have these two things and these two things, and those are the only things we're letting sit on the ground. Anything else that we had planned to let sit on the ground, we did not bring. And then this is our 4-foot table. And then we have this little round table, and then our grid wall with our artwork. Banner in the back, checkout stand. So, and then we have back here, here's our chairs, our little rolling cart to get our bags and stuff and our lunch above the ground. And then that's our like toolbox. And then under here we have 2 shelves. Let me see if I can get down here without getting soaked. This is bags and stuff, packing paper, pens, scissors, business cards. And then up here, our little secret shelf is money and the square. It is, what time is it?
8:36.
8:36. We got here 6:45. We had our setup time was between 6:45 and 7. So we've been here a couple of hours. It doesn't technically start till 9. We've already had a few people kind of wandering through. So hopefully the rain will not deter people from stopping by. But I would like to have some breakfast.
You want breakfast? Oh yeah, we got cereal.
We have cereal, yeah. So I think we're gonna have some breakfast and wait out the rain.
I live in Tijuana. That's where I was born and raised. You'd see my house. Wow. It's a lot back there. We were going away from my wish we would have had more fun. I think those were fun. Yeah, and when were you there?
Just at the end of May.
Yes, that's when. End of April,
Yeah, end of May, and like the week before, the morning before they opened Rainier up to Mountain Paradise. Monroe. Whatever that was, the boat was still being taken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it is. Yeah. Alright, so you gotta pull the lever. Okay. What's the my lever? Now you don't have to like break it. Okay, little. No way.
Little midday check-in. We've ordered lunch. We're waiting for lunch. They have like a little service that delivers lunch for us. Not free. I mean, the service is free. The lunch was not free.
Yeah.
They did come around and offer us hot dogs, but you know, gluten-free. So, but we're doing pretty good. A lot more customers than I thought.
Oh yeah, a lot more customers.
Yeah. So
I've been pleased with, especially with the amount of rain we're getting, and the number of people that brave the rain to come out.
Yeah.
I just appreciate that.
it's pretty much, I'd say it's pretty much tapered off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rain. You mean the rain?
The rain, yeah, not the people. The rain. So
And people are really eating right now too, so it's kind of quieting down.
yeah, that's true. So we have a little bit of a lull, and we will check in with you guys later. Hey guys, so it is about 3 o'clock and we're definitely in the lull period. It's slowed down a lot. We haven't had many sales in the past maybe hour and a half. So I would say this thing ends at 5. So we still have a couple of hours, but I'd say it's definitely winding down. All right, it is 4:30. Here is a look at the booth. So here's the 4-foot table. And actually we've been picking stuff up off the floor and putting it up here and moving stuff around. We have completely lost the artwork. This is the only artwork I think we have left. Then our checkout stand, and then this is the 6-foot table. So quite a bit has sold from it. We are about 25-ish minutes from breaking down and going home, but I'm thinking pretty successful for a rainy day market. We are now, I can't do math, 17 minutes. We are now 17 minutes from breaking down.
Yeah.
So
It's been a rough day.
we are waiting with bated breath.
It's been a good day though.
Yeah, it has been a good day. Sorry, we had a customer and
A visitor.
and so now we are 14 minutes until breakdown. So
Yeah.
we'll see you guys after breakdown. First off, apologies for the YouTube fail. When they said 5 o'clock, we started.
Yeah.
We packed everything up, threw it in the car, so we are home. We are done for the day. And actually, when you look at the car, it doesn't look like we sold anything, which is unfortunate. But I'd say we sold what, like 60%? 75? 60.
I would say about 60%.
Yeah. It was a good day.
It was a good day. Considering the rain and everything, it was a good day. A lot of people came out. We appreciate everybody that came out.
Yeah. It was fun meeting all you guys, talking with you.
Yeah.
And if they do it again, I'll do it. I really enjoy that show. I like how I can drive up to my spot, drop all my stuff off, park the car, and then when I'm done, bring the car over.
You know, I realize they check on you a lot.
Oh,
They
yeah.
make sure you're doing well and you've got everything you need. I love that. They don't.
Yeah.
A lot of shows do not do that.
Yeah. That's a plus in my book as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not that we have to have it, but it's
No, but
it is all. It's just really nice to know that they care about their vendors and that they really.
You know what
wanna
I also
know.
enjoyed?
What?
When we called the phone number and ordered our lunch and they brought it right to us.
Oh yeah. That was very nice.
It was nice to have a show where we didn't end up eating peanut butter sandwiches. So that was also a plus. But I guess that is going to be it for us for this week, guys. We are going to go get some dinner.
Hopefully.
But I hope this video is on time. Just so you know, it is Saturday evening and the video is supposed to go live tomorrow too. So I hope, for future me's sake, that you are seeing this at 2 o'clock on Sunday. And if not,
We apologize.
I apologize. So, well, that is going to be it for us for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching, so
Thank
much
you.
for stopping by, saying hello. If you bought anything from us, we greatly appreciate it.
Yes, we just appreciate you watching too.
Yeah.
That helps a lot.
Absolutely. So we will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.